खुलुमबायख्या जत ताखुकते बुखुकसं ताई लामसगो आनि अ चेनेल फाइदि जों दिनै नायलायनाय आसाम राइफल्स पाब्लिक स्कुल आगरतलानि हयते गोताल जब नटिफिकेशन फाइमानि नरक जदि अबनतै नायना मुचुंका हांके नरक आनि अ भिडिअ गोरोङै तंदि फाइदि जों बंनि किसा वेबसाइट नायनायलायनो अबंखा बंनि वेबसाइट नरक अर थाङैबो भिजिट खाय नायमानो फाइदि जों बरनि हयते जे नटिफिकेशन फाइमानि आबनो चिनो जों डाइरेक्ट नायलायनाय नायदि अबंखा एडभार्टाइजमेंट बरनि हयते फाइमानि Assam Rifles Public School Agartala affiliated to CVC Delhi. Naidi appointment a reputed English medium co-educational senior secondary school invites an application for appointment of following post of teachers. Takukte bukuksong borok teachers imbagay appointment khainai kaisang kanok nugimano TGT English tai mathematics nitei ताई केशांका PGT Economics फाइदि जों TGT English ताई Mathematics ती नालेने अबनतै educational qualification नांनाय academic graduate in the subject with honors ननि graduate ना नांनाय honors subject ती नांनाय अबनतै ताई professional अंका degree in education or 3-year teaching experience नांनाय of the subject to higher classes in a CBC affiliated school. They obonatei no salary rejangnai 11,880 per month omongka fix yearly increase as decided by the SMC. Takokte bukuksong no yearly bo increase khajangnai decided by the SMC. Aboni pore jeng faidi nalinai PGT Economics nitei obongkha educational qualification academic nangnai master degree in the subject honors in subject takukte bukuksong norok obonote master degree khaijak na nangnai tai honors te janangnai o subject notei tai professional degree in education or 3 years teaching experience of the subject in higher classes in a CVC affiliated school thashini omo haino tai obonote norok salary manai 15,180 rupees per month among fixed now yearly increasing as decided by the SMC. Abon pore nor nugimano term and condition of the selection hike appointment written test followed by the screening test interview by the board of selection committee selection will be purely on merit basis appointment will be temporary on provision of 1 year and further extension will be given by the school managing committee based on the performance during the provision period as per the rules of Assam Rifles Welfare Education Society. Candidate having higher qualification and experience of teaching in CVC affiliated school at secondary higher secondary level in the respected subject will be given preference. Takukte bukuksong obni bagai to return testing nai aboni pore interview bongnai aboni pore nongno selection merit basis ting nai tai borok orosio je appointment nongno temporary provision period nai 1 year ni tai further extension ngai fan mano jodi nongni performance kaham khangke aboni pore jara bishi higher qualification tongnai tai bongni jodi experience bishi tongnai bongno bishi preference rejagnai norok jodi obnotei interest tong khangkeba nongni complete biodata nor to mention khaitong contact number tai nongni photocopy of all documents tai passport size photograph address khaiti to the principal Assam Rifles Public School Agartala last date kha 24th September 2021 tai return test tai interview will be held on 28th September 2021 takukte bukuksong norok jodi obnotei interest tong khangkeba daktin apply khaipedi all the best tai nongni sinja borno share khaidi jate borok bo apply khaimanthong ashakno belkhana hambai khulumbaikha